What is up, YouTube? It's Inez and welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an unboxing of the Chanel Chance travel size perfume. I love this fragrance. It just smells like heaven on earth. I am obsessed with Chanel. I just love the brand. I love everything that it stands for. I walked in the store yesterday and they had me feeling like a celebrity. Everybody was like, welcome, welcome. I'm like, yes, 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 yes. I love it here. So I went ahead and bought this perfume and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys on camera so we can go ahead and get my first initial reaction. All right, you guys, let's go ahead and open it up. I am so excited. So I'm just gonna go ahead with my scissors and unbox it. Yay! Comes out like this. All right. Let's see. How do you open this? Oh! Oh! Yay! Ooh! Fancy! Alright, let's get into it. Okay, let's see how it sprays. Okay, girl. Oh! Okay, girl. Okay, let's get some hair. Oh! Okay, let's get some right here. Oh God, it smells so good. Okay, so inside you will see there are the refills, like I told y'all. There's 2 refills inside, and I love how this opens. I didn't even think it would open like that. It makes it even better. It's even cooler. Yes! Okay, this is a really nice size. Okay, so I was thinking that maybe it was like a roller ball or something that I could also use, but this is a really nice size. Super happy with that. So yeah, this is gonna last a really long time. And I have 2 of them. Okay. I am really happy with this. I'm very happy with this purchase. I think the total was $108. So for all 3 of these, $108, I think that's a really good deal. I mean, normally that's about the size of just one. So I'm here for it, and it just smells so good. It just smells like heaven on earth. I can't wait to spray this more. Like, I feel like a flower. I feel like a flower. I'm excited. Okay, you guys, I gotta get to work. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more videos. Bye.